This video will help you learn English and learn all the general knowledge of the world. Why does the color of the sky appear blue? The atmosphere around the Earth is air. It contains molecules of many types of gases and water drops or steam. The highest among the gases is about 78% nitrogen and about 21% oxygen. In addition, there is argon gas and water. It contains dust, ash and salt from sea water, etc. We think the color of our sky is sky because of these things. Actually, what we call color is light. Light travels in waves or waves. Things in the air block these waves. The longer waves have less obstruction. They are bigger than dust particles. That is, red, yellow and orange waves of light are not visible. But small waves are stopped by particles of gas or dust. And this light collides and spreads all around. Blue color travels in small waves in the spectrum or spectrum of light. When this blue color spreads, it seems to be the color of the sky. Why do stars appear to be falling apart? There are many large formations in space, which are located at a distance of billions of kilometers from the Earth, which we see in the form of stars. When they enter the atmosphere from outer space, they start shining due to the rubbing of air. These are also called meteors. So we say that the star is falling. Why are stars not visible during the day? There is a dense atmosphere around the Earth, which scatters the sunlight around, due to which the sky becomes bright during the day and stars are not visible. Whereas there is no atmosphere on the moon, their stars can be seen even during the day. Why does ice float on water? When any liquid turns into a solid, its volume decreases and it becomes heavy, but this is not the case with water. Because it becomes lighter than water, that's why ice floats in water. Why don't spiders stick themselves in their web? The spider weaves a web to trap its prey. Small insects get easily caught in this trap. It is very difficult to get rid of these insects. But if you have ever looked closely, you must have found that the spider itself moves easily from one place to another in that web. Do you know why this happens? Out of all the spider's web is not adhesive. She weaves only part of it sticky. At the same time, apart from this, the part where the spider itself lives comfortably, it is made without sticky material. So she easily moves around in it. By the way, to avoid getting trapped in its own web, the spider finds another trick. She cleans her feet very well every day so that the dust and other particles on them are removed. Some scientists believe that the legs of the spider are oily. That's why she doesn't get caught in the net and keeps roaming in it. But the truth is that spiders do not have oil glands. At the same time, some scientists are the reason for this because of spider legs.